Hello my friends and subscribers, we are Alexander Stepanov and Andrew Stepanov, and this tutorial will amaze you because we're showing you latest technique of gel nails. And as you can see, my brother Andrew is perfectly removing the gel from these square-shaped nails. You asked me many times, why don't we remove all gel from the nail plate? Some nail technicians think that product is spoiling by time, and it's important to remove all product when the client is coming back to infill his or her nails. Her nails, of course, her nails. I have never applied nails on man's hands, especially gel nails. But about the question, why don't we remove it? Well, products we used are tasted, and as experiments say, the product stays perfectly more than 1 or 2 months. It doesn't cause any harm to nail plate, to the client, any allergic reactions. So we can remove some product in the cuticles area, but it's not need to remove all gel, because we will sculpt on the top of the previous layer the new one, and after we will be working with drill bits again and remove some old gel from underneath of the nail plate. So it's about 30% of old gel keep staying on nails, but it doesn't bring any problems to client, any breakings, if the nail technician applies everything good, following all techniques. About new products in my store, we have 2 sculpting mixed gels. The first one is tea rose, the second one is candy rose. These are same gels which have more soft colors, because it's more popular now, and you can also use these colors to make soft tones on natural nails. These gels are amazing. You should try them. And of course, my brother is using now his favorite tea rose or tea rose color. It's very soft, and we have no margin between the natural nail and the gel nail after 1 or 2 weeks. So this layer is faded to the natural nail plate perfectly. So just try these shades, especially they now cost a little bit lower than before, but the pack is economic. These are small packs on 15 milliliters. So you can buy the small amount of gel, try it, and maybe soon, guys, I will provide you with large jars for 30, 50 or 1 kilogram 50 milligrams or 1 kilogram of gel, so you can buy only one big jar and use it 1 or 2 years and you will not need to order this product again. Sorry. Okay, and let's talk about the second question. Why do we use the same tools and products, Infill by Infill, and the same sculpting gels? We don't use clear gel at all. You know, guys, the first thing is sculpting mix don't heat the nail plate, and our client loved that. So it was something like, ouch! My brother doesn't scare these things when the control bit is flying around the nail. It's okay. You should at firstly keep it strongly. But why do we use the same things? When we start working, the main aim was to save our time, to make maximum clients per day. By the way, my brother is working now with amazing random gel paint. The color is beautiful. I will ask him next time what color it was. But we tried to perform our deal, our work to perfection. And now our videos is the result of our 10 years work, and you have a chance to watch these films for free, because in another nail technicians another nail technicians sell courses for $100-200 for these techniques to show people, but we don't take money for our work, and we just give you all this experience for free. And please don't forget it that we work for you guys, and everything we do is for performing, for make it to the better our technique, and give you some experience, because it's very important. When I was a beginner, I had no chance to watch such videos, and there were no videos on YouTube 10 years ago. Maybe a small number of videos we had, but now there are a lot of tutorials. You can choose any way to apply nails. It's easier than before, but not every tutorial is perfect and useful. So take a look how it's beautiful, especially the shape of nail. You should feel the perfect shape of nails, and it's not easy, you know, to achieve such straight, such elegant, thin nails. I hope you like this shape of nails, and I hope you click like button and support our work with your comments, likes, and just subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.